Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to move rows in Airtable. There are a few different methods depending on where you're working and what you need. I'll walk you through them in order so you can pick what works best. The first method is drag and drop in grid view. Open your table and click the sort button in the view bar. If you see the automatically sort records toggle turned on, turn it off. Once sorting is disabled, look for the 6-dot drag handle on the left side of each row. Click and hold the drag handle, drag the row up or down to where you want it, and release. The row moves immediately and stays in that position. If you're working in an Airtable interface instead of the base, the setup is different. Open your interface in edit mode and click on any record to open the settings panel on the right. Make sure inline editing is enabled. This lets users interact with records directly. Then open the sort menu and select manual sort. Publish the interface. Once both options are turned on, you'll see a small handle on the left side of each record that you can use to drag and drop rows into any order. Another approach is to use a manual sort field, which gives you precise control over order. Create a new field in your table and set the type to number. Name it something like sort order. Enter sequential numbers for each record, 1, 2, 3, etc. in the order you want them displayed. Click the sort button in the view bar and add a sort by your new number field in ascending order. Turn off the automatically sort records toggle so you can manually adjust the numbers later and resort when needed. Records will display in the numeric order you specified. If you need to move one specific record to a precise location, there's also a cut and paste method. Click on the row number on the far left to select the entire record. Press Ctrl X on Windows or Command X on Mac to cut it. Click on the primary field cell of the record where you want to insert it, then press Ctrl V or Command V to paste. The record moves to the new position. If something goes wrong, press Ctrl Z immediately. The key thing across all drag and drop methods is making sure automatic sorting is disabled. If the toggle is on, you won't be able to manually reorder at all. Thanks for watching.